Hello everyone, this is voice of KCB, the yoga instructor and career counselor. I hope you all viewers fit and fine. First of all, I would like to thank Yoga Peace and Smile. As a matter of fact that health is wealth. We know very well in this pandemic we have been sitting over in our home and getting such kind of physical diagnosis and disease. I had faced certain issues. Yesterday I get severe pain on my chest. On the meantime, I did call founder on Yoga Peace and Smile, and people knows very well the thoughts guru Dr. Manish Arya. I explained the details of my diagnosis. He did suggest me accordingly. I did so. Within some few hours I get the effective result, and finally I call him. I completely cured. So friend, I like to urge you all, if you have any kind of physical diagnosis, please try once Yoga Peace and Smile, which is located into Gurugram, near Golf Course Road, Sector 28. So it is the part of life. They have been providing certain unique techniques. You will definitely get the profound result. So once again, thank you all, and thank you Yoga Peace and Smile and your team.